EMOORE food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Today I ordered again from Palmisano's, located in Sewell, New Jersey. I seen them up on DoorDash, so I couldn't leave today. I got myself a pizza steak. The price of this was $27.60. Yes, it's a little pricey, but my motto is just as long as it tastes good. So this is a return trip. I wanted to go to them in person, but couldn't get away today from work. So I scooped it up off of DoorDash. So I'm going to describe to you what I have. I'm going to give you my thoughts, my opinions, and my ratings about this goodie right here. So I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about this restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. That means I keep it 100, baby. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. All right. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. It's nice and sunny outside. It's always beautiful to be alive. Here's a full-fledged sandwich. Comes in this nice little box. Nice and cut. Looks super cheesy. So let's see how it tastes. Let's eat. Nice pizza taste to it. And like that fresh mozzarella cheese. It's on that those rolls from that Sorcone bakery. That seeded kind of roll. Very flavorful. I had the filet mignon cheesesteak from them before. So now I got the pizza steak from them. These cheesesteaks are on a whole nother level. It's like you're sitting back eating fine dining, and it's a sandwich shop. The sauces that they are using for the pizza sauce flavor is a banger. 2 for 2. Steak meat, the ribeye is nice and tender. I could sit back and eat that whole second half of the steak, but I'm not gonna do it. That was delectable. That was succulent. It checked all the marks on the flavor profile. The roll even went well with it. Sometimes the rolls, if they're not dense, you can't, it'll become soggy. And this roll had a nice bite to it, a nice chew to it. And the steak meat, the pizza sauce, and the mozzarella cheese all blended in very well with it. It was nice garlicky taste to it. So with that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 9.5. The filet mignon cheesesteak was a game changer, life changing. This is a great sandwich also, but you can't top that other filet mignon cheesesteak. You just can't. All right, y'all. That was a breakdown for the breakdown of Palmisano's located in Sewell, New Jersey. Run out and tell them about the second video from EMOORE, the food connoisseur, of their pizza steak, cheesesteak. As you can see, I devoured that whole half. Usually I'm like 4 or 5 bites and then I'm done, son. So it was very pleasing to the belly. My belly thanks you for that nice sandwich. All right, y'all. Remember, every day you get to open your eyes up. You get to take that breath. It's a gift from God, baby. Remember that. Sometimes we get a little down in the dump and we be stuck in our feelings. You know, we get through it because of God. You remember that. All right, y'all. Until the next video, you will see me very soon. EMOORE, food connoisseur. I'm out, baby.